umiiral pa rin yung right to privacy among and between spouses. So, nire-remind natin na kahit kayo ay mag-asawa na for 50 years, walang karapatan ang partner or ang spouse na tignan ang cellphone ng asawa na walang pahintulot. There is no such thing as waiver of the right to privacy kung kayo ay kinasal, no? Although you're expected to be truthful or faithful to one another, may mga issues like the right to keep confidential yung mga text messages mo, messenger services, Facebook post from your wife or husband. Ito ay ginagarantisado ng Section 3, Article 3 of the 1987 Constitution, except when there is a lawful order of the court na pwedeng tignan o pwedeng buksan yung mga cellphone ng inyong partners, no? Of course, kung nakakuha ka ng ebidensya na walang pahintulot, ay inadmissible as evidence yan at hindi magagamit sa korte. Ito ay pinalakas din ng Article 88 of the new Family Code. At sinasabi dito, although the husband and the wife are obliged to live together, observe mutual trust, respect and fidelity, and render mutual help and support, there remains a right to privacy. At dun sa Sulweta versus Court of Appeals and Martin, ang sabi ng Supreme Court ay ang privacy between individuals should forever be respected. At sinabi nga dito, inadmissible in evidence ang mga nakukuha mong information without permission from the cellphone, iPad, computer of your partners, no? Yung intimacy between husband and wife do not justify one from opening the phone, breaking the drawers, cabinets of the other, no? Kunin lang basta-basta para lang kumuha ng proof or ebidensya na siya ay merong acts of infidelity.